Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I'm making an easy and delicious Suji sweet halwa, soft, rich and full of beautiful aroma from ghee and dry fruits. This is one of those comforting homemade desserts that comes together very quickly with simple ingredients. Let's start the recipe. First, take half cup suji or semolina in a pan. Roast on low heat while stirring continuously. For about 2 to 3 minutes until lightly aromatic. Now pour in a bowl. Add 1 cup milk and mix well. Keep it aside for a few minutes so the suji absorbs the milk. In another pan, add 2 teaspoons ghee. Add 1 tablespoon each of cashew nuts, almonds, pistachio and raisin. Roast for about 30 seconds and keep aside. Now in the same pan, add 1/4 cup ghee and half cup sugar. Cook on low heat until the sugar slowly caramelizes. Add the soaked suji mixture carefully. Mix continuously to avoid lumps. Add the roasted dry fruits. Keep stirring until the halwa becomes soft, glossy and starts leaving the sides of the pan. Serve warm. Suji halwa is a traditional dessert enjoyed in many homes. Caramelized sugar gives a deep flavor and color. Dry fruits add crunch and richness. Semolina desserts are quick and easy to prepare. Always roast suji on low heat for best aroma. Stir continuously after adding milk. Do not burn the caramelized sugar. Dry fruits provide healthy fats and nutrients. Milk adds calcium and protein. Homemade sweets are fresher and more hygienic. You can adjust sugar according to your taste. Your soft and rich suji sweet halwa is ready. Serve warm and enjoy every bite. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Foods for more easy homemade recipes.